Hi everyone, it's Reed and welcome back to Atlantis Fitness and Pilates, where I post free workout videos and the latest information on all things fitness. As always, there will be timestamps in the description below because I value your time and you already know why you're here. If you enjoy this video, be sure to leave it a like and a subscribe, and let's get started. All right, for today, we're gonna be doing my beginner leg series on the reformer. Let's first set your spring to 3 reds and 1 blue, and then make your way down onto your backs. Once you're down, we're gonna bring your heels onto that foot bar, hip width distance and parallel, toes straight up to the ceiling. As always, arms can be down by your sides or hands can rest on your belly. Remember, we wanna engage our core, bracing those abs before we start to press out. So take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, start to brace those abs and slowly press all the way out to straight legs and then lower back down. Last one, all the way down. All right, from there, we're gonna bring your heels together on the foot bar. Toes and knees are gonna turn out into a V with your knees about shoulder width distance. Same thing, when you're ready, big exhale all the way out, squeezing those inner thighs, and then lower down. Last one here. And all the way down. Excellent. Let's take those heels wide now. Very edges of that foot bar. Again, a slight turn out of the toes and knees. When you're ready, again, brace your abs and then lower down. One more. Excellent. All the way down. Let those knees do a little rock side to side. And then we're going to go onto our toes next, doing those same 3 variations, this time on your toes, working into our quads a little bit more. So toes hip width distance and parallel. When you're ready, again, big exhale all the way out and lower down. One more. And hold it here. from here, I want you to drop your heels below that foot bar. Get that stretch through the calves. And then on your exhale, lift your heels as high as you can. Come into a little calf raise. Again, lower and lift. Think on that lift. Again, we're bracing our abs that little bit more. Last one, and all the way down. All right, so keep your toes where they are. We're gonna touch our heels together so you're back in that Pilates V on your toes. When you're ready, again, big exhale, press all the way out. Squeeze those inner thighs at the top. Last one. And again, hold it here. We're gonna drop those heels again and lift, coming back into that calf raise while we're in that Pilates V. Last one. All the way down. Excellent. Let's take your toes wide now. Very edges of the foot bar. Again, a little turn out of the toes and knees. When you're ready, again, double leg press all the way out and back down. Brace those abs every time before you start to press out. Last one. And all the way down. Excellent. Give those knees a little rock side to side. And then we're gonna sit up for a moment and we're gonna go down and spring now to just 3 red springs. And then let's make your way back down onto your backs for some single leg work now. So we started on our heels and then went to our toes. We're back up on our heels, working our entire leg and getting into the glute a little bit more. I want your right heel on your foot bar directly below your right hip and knee. Your left knee, we're gonna pull in using our hands just to hold it nice and still. Take a deep breath here. Again, on that exhale, brace those abs and press all the way out and lower down. Last one. Excellent. All the way down. Let's switch sides. Make sure that left heel is Again, directly below your left knee and hip. Hold that right knee into your chest, and when you're ready, big exhale all the way out and lower down. Last one. Excellent. All the way down. Let's switch sides again. Again, make sure that right heel is below your right knee and hip. This time the left leg is going to start long out over our foot bar. As we press out, let's pull that left knee into your chest and then lower back down and extend the leg. Last one. And all the way down. Again, switching sides. Left heel on that foot bar beneath your left hip. Right leg is long. When you're ready, same thing. Big press out, knee to chest, and extend. One more. And all the way down. Switch legs again. Right heel back to the foot bar. Left leg is long out over that foot bar. We're going to kick towards the ceiling this time. So when you're ready, big kick and lower. As you kick though, keep your tailbone and hips anchored onto your carriage. They are not lifting when you go to kick up. One more. Excellent. All the way down. And switching sides again. Left heel is down, right leg is long. When you're ready, big press kick and lower. Last one, all the way down. Again, a little rock of those knees side to side, and you can start to make your way all the way up. And that is it for this workout. Again, this is a quick low body beginner level workout. I like to use it to help, again, build up that strength and endurance for those more advanced classes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.